Hey, go people. Hey, here's some earning hate. This little smiling woman here, covering her mouth because she knows she's doing something wrong, is showing her badge to get her and her drunk husband out of a ticket. The fact that she badged him isn't a big deal to me, but let's take a look at the video. Welcome to another episode of Earning the Hate. So, a little ticket writing cop ain't got nothing else better to do than harass a couple pesky citizens
Old 1050.
for riding in a golf cart. Get out, get his ticket quota.
East Lake Service Road, Woodlands Parkway. It's going to be a golf cart, no tag.
Big high-risk stop here. Months of training, equipment, lights, $1,000, cars, bulletproof vests, guns. Big traffic stop here. Gonna get me a fine and a ticket.
Good evening.
How you doing?
Good. I'm Deputy Jacoby, the Sheriff's Office. Stopped you because you driving tag or unregistered vehicle.
I think she's already got her badge out. She's grinning. He's kind of grinning. They both know what's up.
No tag on it on the roadway.
Yeah, we went to the club. It was closed, so we went over and picked up some.
Is your camera on?
It is.
Huh. I wish it wasn't because I was going to show you a badge, but I'll show you anyway. Who cares?
I'm the police chief in Tampa.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
I'm hoping that you'll just let us go tonight.
Bad terminology. Had she just said, I'm carrying a gun and I'm the police chief in Tampa, I have my credentials, this would have been fine. It's perfectly acceptable for cops to tell other cops that they got guns, and so the cop doesn't find it and shoot them, because most cops know that most cops will shoot everybody with a gun, so most cops will identify that they have a gun and they're a cop. So that wouldn't be an issue. When she says, I'm hoping you'll just let us go, on camera, yeah, that's a problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll say now that you say you look familiar, so.
Yeah, I'm sure I do.
Notice the cop is all worried now. I don't give a shit. If I pulled somebody over, I don't give a shit. I pulled you over for this. I'm going to do what I always do. Tell you whatever. Tell you the problem and move on. I mean, first of all, I wouldn't be stopping no damn golf cart. You ain't got no other criminals. These two guys look like the criminals of the century here. What do you think? They're out robbing the freaking local 7-Eleven, riding around in a golf cart for a getaway vehicle? Of course not. You were going to write and harass and give tickets to some pesky citizen, and now you're scared because it's police chief and you want to kiss their butt.
Okay. So, all right, folks. Well, have a good night. Staying over here in East Lake Woodlands?
We live in East Lake Woodlands.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, it's nice to meet you. So,
Aw, isn't that sweet? You're going to shake her hand. Aw. Police always do that.
I'm Deputy Jacoby.
Okay.
Same here, my friend.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
All right,
Sorry
take care.
to bother you.
All right, no worries. No worries. Like I say,
No worries. Since you're part of the club and you're in a code blue, I'm going to let you go and it's no worries. But, you know, if you had been just a pesky citizen, I'd have wrote you a couple $300 tickets and fined you, and you'd had to go to court, and I would have got overtime for going to court, and I would have felt good for the night. Now I'll have to go pick on some other pesky citizen to get my quotas. Perfect.
we have a lot of problem with the golf carting around here. You know, everybody gets
No,
out.
we don't normally come out.
We
but
never
the club
come
was
out.
closed.
Never come out. One time. Oh, I never heard that before.
So we went up
Never.
to the Greek place to get some food. And
Gotcha. Okay. All right.
I think they're both under the influence, and I'm not even there. My guess is they reek alcohol, and they've both been drinking. But, you know, people will say you're just making it up, but that's just my take on watching these two.
All right, then we'll take care. And it was nice meeting you.
all right.
Oh, all right.
Oh, here's my card. Next time you get pulled over by one of my guys, show him this. It's so bullshit the way cops...
You ever need anything, call me.
Okay.
Never need anything, call me. Now we're giving feedback. Oh my goodness. Not only do I ask you to let me go, now if you need something because I'm the police chief, you call me and I'll hook you up, honey. Perfect. Yeah, she should have been fired, but she quit. She wasn't fired.
Serious.
All right. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for yours.
Thank you.
Oh my God, it's a thank fest. No, thank you. No, you're Smoopy. No, you're Smoopy. Let me get your boot. Thank you for your service. What the hell? Are you serious?
Take care.
All right,
Take
thank
care.
you.
Have a good night, folks.
Have a good night. Nobody's getting a ticket because you were a cop. Look at all these lights. Lights everywhere. Freaking $1,000 in cars so we can pull over golf carts. To keep you safe. Officer safety. Public safety is for the children. National security. Now wait. Don't leave yet because it gets better. This woman, this police chief, was fired for assault on a police officer while she was a cop. And a month later, they made her police chief. Did you hear that? O'Connor's behavior is unacceptable. She did such a great job. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, as a rookie, O'Connor was arrested in 1995 and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer during a traffic stop. So if this guy hadn't let her go, she probably would have jumped on him and hit him like she did in 1995. She was fired. A month later, reinstated as a police. Oh, I thought it was as the police chief. So after she was fired in 95, they rehired her, and now she's police chief. Wonder how she got that job. I wonder if what bathroom she used had anything to do with that promotion. No, Rick, the Ponytail police are the best police, and they do the best police chief. All right, whatever, you freaking crazy people. We'll end that there. Earning a hate.